Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare banana pakoras. I'll teach you in this video how to make the pakoras like this, nice and fluffy, without adding any soda to this. As you can see, the outer layer is very nice and crispy, and inside it is soft, nice and soft. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients required to prepare banana pakoras are: I have taken 2 ripe bananas and I have just roughly cut them into small pieces. 100 grams of semolina or suji, 3 tablespoons of sugar. The sweetness of this pakora depends as per your taste, friends. So if you like it to be sweet, so you can add or reduce the amount of sugar as per your wish. I'm going to add chopped cashew nuts. You can also add raisins or any dry fruits that you like. And I'll be frying it in the oil. So first, let us just mash these bananas. After mashing the bananas, I will add the sugar, mix it, and now I'm going to add the semolina. Mix it properly. Now friends, after mixing this semolina or suji in this mixture, we will just keep it aside for 10 minutes so that the suji gets nice and softened. So we will just leave it aside for 10 minutes. So friends, after 10 minutes, this is how our batter will look like. We will add the nuts, mix it, if you want you can add a pinch of salt to this also, that will balance the taste. And now we are going to fry these pakoras. So here I am heating oil for frying the pakoras. When our oil is heated, we will take little bit of oil, just little bit, 1 tablespoon, and we will add it in the batter, pakora batter, and then we are going to mix it properly once again. And now as our oil is hot, we are going to just drop this mixture into medium high flame. As we have added suji to this will have a nice and crispy coating. So we'll fry this till it become nice and golden over medium flame. So here is our first batch of pakoras fried. We will take this out. We'll take this out over a kitchen towel. And now we are going to add the second batch. We'll fry this also till it becomes nice and golden. First, for 2 minutes, we are not going to touch this. Let it get a proper shape. Then we are going to turn this and cook on the other side of the pakora also. So here is our second batch also fried. So similarly, I'll fry the third batch also. Friends, here is our crispy, yummy banana pakoras ready. As you can see, it has nicely become round and it has nicely swollen up because I have put that hot oil in it and I have mixed it. It's due to that. So it has become very fluffy. And the outer layer is very crispy. Inside it is nice and soft. So I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. And if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and share it also. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.